channel. So today I watched a video that Sheldon Briscoe put on his YouTube channel a month ago. I watched it again because I saw Janice Lamson, hi Janice, talking about it on the Acrylic Crazy Train Facebook group, which I like very much. And you should join if you're up to it, because it's a very nice group of people. So I'm gonna try and replicate Sheldon's recipe for his CA without Australian floetrol. So in his recipe, in his video, I'm gonna try, because I'm new to this, to put a link on the corner here or down below in the description box. But in case I can't manage to do so, I can't remember. Good, I can't remember the number. Good. So, in his video, Sheldon was using golden heavy gloss gel medium, which I don't have at the moment because I used all of it. So I'm gonna try and do a cell activator with Bosnar Impasto medium, glossy medium. So as I understand it, it's kind of an acrylic binder. It's supposed to enhance the consistency, the transparency, and the shine of acrylic paints. So I'm gonna try and use it to replace the heavy gloss gel from Golden and see if it works. First, I must be opening this, and as I think you see me do, yes, good. Okay, so I'm gonna try and use this. I'm gonna do a small batch. I'm gonna try and do a small batch. So I'm gonna take a scoop of this, healthy scoop of this, put it in here, close this jar back up, and then I'm gonna try and add water gradually. For French people, for those who understand me at the moment, I'm gonna do a voiceover of this one in French. And for those who don't understand me, I don't know what to say. If you're listening, j'essaierai de faire un voiceover en français dès que je le pourrai. Voilà. So, this squirt of water is incorporated. I'm gonna try and put another squirt. This is fun because first it disperses in tiny blobs, and then the more you stir, the more it's getting smoother. The more it gets, the more smoother it gets. The smoother it gets. Sorry. Okay. And now it's really. How do you say homogène in English? You know, sometimes I'm gonna have to think hard to find my words. But is it homogeneous? No, I don't think so. Okay, if I can find it back before this video airs, I'm gonna write it down on the screen, or I'm gonna Google it, because yeah, that's what we all do, right? Google is very often my best friend, as can be Amazon Amazon is the devil. So it's a little, maybe it's a little thick for my taste. So I'm gonna add another squirt of water. Okay, and still trying to mix up. As some of you know, I have many cats, and one of them seems to need something, and I don't know what it is. Hewitt? Oh, you want to see me paint, Hewitt? Yeah? Jump. Sit. Come on. I don't know what she wants. So maybe she's gonna jump, maybe she won't, I don't know. Quoi? Okay. So she wants to intervene, but no one knows really what she wants. So for now I think the consistency could be good. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of uninterrupted stream. It's not like milk, it's like cream, some kind of heavy cream. Okay, come on. Oh, she needs attention. Okay, so this is Pearlax powder pigment in hot copper. I'm gonna try and scoop this with the other side of my utensil. Okay, I'm gonna put, oh, not sure how much I should put in there, so I'm gonna try this first. Okay, and I wanted to do a pigment cell activator and a shiny one, so I'm gonna gradually incorporate it. I know most of the recipes with pigments include a step where you have to wet the pigment with some varnish or isopropyl alcohol. I'm gonna try and do this just by mixing with my impasto medium and water mixture. Pearlax pigments are really, really beautiful. They're quite affordable in France, I must say, and we can find them on Amazon, so it's easy to get access to it. As I said in my description box in several videos, I try to use things that I find in France whenever I can. Something we can find in France, but at a very, very, very crazy price, like Artist Loft Soft Body White. So, texture seems good. So I made a small batch. Color is good, so I won't put any more pigment in there. Okay. I'm gonna try and find some of my bloom paints already mixed, and I'm gonna try this cell activator, see if it works. Okay, so we are back. I had to mix up two paints because I wanted to test my pigment CA against two paints, and I've had some mishaps during the mixing, so Now here I am, and I'm going to try and do a bloom. So I'm gonna take some pillow paint. It's just gonna be for test purposes, so I'm not very picky about how I put it on my tile. Okay, so I have here Liquitex Rose Pink. You know it's gonna be bubbly. I think my pillow paint is too thin. It's gonna be a nightmare, but never mind. I still can erase this if I want to. So I'm gonna layer this rose pink. Okay. And this is benzimidazole yellow medium. Benzimidazolone yellow medium by Golden. Good. I won't even care about bubbles. Okay, so good. Texture, consistencies of my colors look good. So maybe I put too much pillow on there, I don't know. And I'm gonna try this on its own. Okay, so I have a teeny tiny bit of hello. Maybe I should put a little more. Let's see. Oh, yeah, this one is a little thick. I think I'm gonna have to adjust my consistencies. So, and now everyone is going to see my blowing skills, okay? Wow. 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 Didn't expect that. Wow. So, looking for my metal straw. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna let it all gather in the center. Let it sit. Wow. I think I won't even need the straw. Wow. Sheldon, you are a genius. Wow. Look at this. Look. Wow. Oh. I won't. Ah. Should I put it? So should I put it on the spinner? Oh. I think I should put it on a spinner. Let me come back. Okay, so usually I have a silicone mat on this, but I couldn't find it at the moment. So let's see how it goes. This is, wow, this is fantastic. I must say I haven't done a bloom in ages. I think my last bloom was in November and we are in March, so okay. I'm really happy about the blowout, I must say. It's my first really beautiful blowout ever. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to spin this with this spinner, but yeah, let's okay. This is too slow, but it will have to do for today. And I'm gonna just do this. to help things flow a little better. Okay, this is way better, and I don't have enough paint. I think I'm gonna try and make it spread a little more if I can. Okay. This won't move a lot, I think. Nothing's really moving, so never mind this corner. This is a test site anyway, so I'm gonna show you a close-up. And no battery, no more battery, so I'm gonna have to say you bye, and I'm gonna take pictures of the dry results if it dries well. Bye guys, see you soon.